So for today's summer adventure, you can just kind of, you gotta find a nice peaceful spot, like, a beach or a nice hill or something. Just kind of watch the sunset. I mean, it's great for bad days or hectic days or like days you've been traveling a lot or anything like that, especially, if you spent the last 5 days in Disney World where kids don't stop screaming ever, you can't find any solitude, everything's overpriced, there's huge crowds, half the people don't speak your language, and it's just busy and hot. So it's great for things like that. So join me as I watch the sunset, I guess. Hopefully it helps. People say it helps. I hope it does. So this last little segment's going to be shot on my GoPro because a storm is rolling in. I probably would have sat there for another 15-20 minutes at least if the storm wasn't coming in. There was a lot of lightning and a lot of thunder coming. But that was honestly extremely relaxing. I should really do that more often. It's the first time I've ever just sat there and kind of looked at the sunset. Definitely suggest it, especially if you were having a bad day or a stressful day or whatever. I definitely suggest doing it. It was a very, very enjoyable time. I understand that not everyone has access to beaches, but just find a nice relaxing place and just sit there for a little bit. It really helps. It does. So thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff, and I will see you later. Thanks.